Okay, so in the question, the base period, the duty of wheat, rice, and cotton crop are given. The intensity of irrigation for wheat, rice, and cotton are also given, and the GCA is also given, right? So first we will find delta. So delta formula is 8.64 into B by D. Okay, we know. So we'll find delta for wheat. So you put the value of base period for wheat and the duty for wheat. You will get the depth or delta for wheat in meters. Similarly, for delta for rice, okay, you put the value of base period for rice and the duty for rice. So you calculate, you'll get value here. And for cotton, you keep the value of the base period for cotton and the duty for cotton also here. You will get it here, right? Now we have found the delta, the base period is known and the duty is also known. Next, you have to find the area under each crop, how much you will cultivate. Okay, so area under each crop, the formula is CCA into intensity of irrigation. Okay, but in the question, CCA is not given. Okay, but the GCA is given, right? So CCA you can find out 80% of GCA. Okay, 80% of irrigation is given. So CCA is 80% of GCA. You put the value of GCA from the question and you will calculate the area will be in hectares. Okay, so you have found the area. Okay, now we will find the area under each crop for wheat, rice and cotton. So the area under wheat I'm representing by capital W. Okay, we'll find out the area, okay, which is 25%. Okay, the area here will be CCA. Okay, here you write the value of CCA you write here into 25%. Okay, then you will get some value here in hectares. Similarly, the area for rice, okay, will be CCA into how much percentage is given in the question. Okay, you calculate. Here will be the value of CCA. Okay, in case you get confused, CCA. Okay, similarly for rice also will be the CCA into how much percentage. Okay, from the question you will get for rice the area will be in hectares, and for cotton put the value of CCA here. Okay, this one put it here into how much percentage from the question is given. You calculate, you will get in hectares. Area is in hectares. Okay, so the area for wheat, area for rice and area for cotton you have calculated, you will get that much. Now step 3, we'll have to find the quantity of water required for crop. How much water is required under each crop. Okay, so we have to find for the quantity of water for wheat, rice and for cotton. So what is the formula? It is delta into area under each crop. Okay, delta is the depth of water, okay, into area under each crop. So delta W, okay, you have found out from here, put it here, into AW, this one, okay, you put it here. Okay, multiply and you will get the value in hectare meter. Similarly for rice, okay, delta R from here, okay, into AR, this one AR, you put it here. You will get quantity of water for rice. And for cotton, delta C, this one, into AC, area under cotton, this one, you put it here, is hectare meter. Area is in hectare and depth is in meter. So the unit is hectare meter. Okay. Now step 4, we have to find the total quantity of water required for the crops. There are 3 crops, right? So we have to find the total of these 3. So it's quantity of water for wheat, for rice and for cotton. Whatever value you're getting here, this and this, you plus here. Okay, I hope it's clear. Then you will get this quantity of water, okay, which is in hectares meter without the losses. This total quantity of water is without the losses. Now we will consider the loss of water, which is given in the question. So the formula is total quantity of water into, this R stands for reservoir losses and the C stands for canal losses. So there are 2 losses according to the question. One is the reservoir loss and one is the canal loss. So the reservoir loss is 5% and the canal loss is 5%. In the question it says 5% each. The losses are there for reservoir and canal, so it's 5 plus 5. And the total quantity here, you put it here. Okay, so 5 plus 5 is 10%. Okay, then remove this percentage, it will be divided by 100. So this value you keep it here into 10 divided by 100, you'll get in hectare-meter. Now we have to find the reservoir capacity. The last step, okay, the reservoir capacity is the crop requirement, okay, plus losses. Okay, the crop requirement plus losses is total quantity of water required for the crops without losses. This equation 1, let's say, and this equation 2, you will plus. Equation 1 plus equation 2. Okay, you will get the answer. Crop requirement, okay, the total quantity of water required for the crops with the losses. This is with the loss of water. So this will be the answer, which is in hectare meter.